to bring you in here. You are catering to different sectors across the board, different services across the board. What, according to you, are the sections or the areas which have seen a significant uptake where you've seen an increasing amount of traction over the last couple of months?
From a managed services point of view, the sector also needs to overcome the lack or the I would say the imbalance in the demand supply view from a skilled workforce point of view. And also address qualities of services and issues relating to IT monitoring, and in turn help deliver all of the above. I think the right managed services partner would be somebody who would be able to bring all of this together. And obviously, it's easier or it's better than hiring an expert, because some of the things that I just spoke to you about, there's such wide arenas or such wide disparate subjects of expertise that not one single person could cover it.
How managed services has helped your business, combat any kind of security threats, and what your perspective is on this. Satyajit, I want to begin with you.
Sure. So I think, see, the way I look at it or Bankit looks at it is security has always been a work in progress. It's not a snapshot or a position to take, that there is a checklist, and if that checklist is complete, I'm done. So I think it's a work in progress subject.
What happens is that because you have a managed service provider, you get a flexibility. If you need more resources on the server, you need more resources in any specific area, then with a discussion, the resources can be put in place, whether it's human resources or whether it's technology resources. So that kind of flexibility comes in with the managed service model, like servers, maintenance, or server additions. And connected with it is a security. I mean, whether you need a firewall 1, 2, 3, or XYZ solution, the flexibility remains. Security is always evolving. So you need to keep evolving, and you can't keep all this professional team inside for all of this. I mean, because our core is something else. So if this managed service provider can give it to us, you feel more comfortable, and with a fee, one can live a sleepful night rather than a sleepless night.
Yeah.
I'm going to come in here, and absolutely right. In fact, our philosophy has been that organizations need to focus on their core, right? There's a lot of repetitive stuff that IT teams have been doing, which kind of has resulted in organizations digressing from their core objectives. And I think in today's time, it's even more important because a lot of organizations have had to reinvent their business model, right? Our objective is, we should be able to free up the IT teams from these repetitive tasks, and especially, with the need where organizations have to reinvent their business models. B, step in with solutions, right? Now, the traditional IT model used to be that if something went wrong, there would be an engineer somewhere on the floor and would walk up and solve it, and things like that. But today, that's no longer the reality, right? Organizations employees are all over the country. It's going to be impossible to, get one device, in let's say a Kolhapur attended to by your own IT team. And I think that's where partners like us come in.